So, Google is deep into development on its next-gen smartwatch, but the Pixel Watch 4 isn't expected to hit the market until late summer or fall 2025. That means fans will have to be patient for its arrival. Looking at Google's past releases, the Pixel Watch 4 could launch as early as August, following the Pixel Watch 3's timeline, or it might debut in October alongside the Pixel 10 series. Whether Google sticks with its recent strategy of earlier launches or returns to its traditional fall schedule remains to be seen. But one thing is certain, the Pixel Watch 4 will debut alongside its flagship smartphones. When it comes to design, the Pixel Watch 4 is expected to maintain the sleek, premium aesthetic of its predecessor, while still offering two size options. While surprises could be in store, the watch will undoubtedly run on Wear OS, Google's smartwatch platform. A recently uncovered Fitbit patent suggests an intriguing new feature called FitScore, which evaluates how securely the watch sits on the wrist to ensure accurate health tracking. To enable this, the Pixel Watch 4 might include a micro-electromechanical system capable of detecting an improper fit and adjusting or disregarding unreliable health data. For instance, it could ignore inaccurate SpO2 readings caused by a loose strap while sleeping. However, not all patents make it to production, so it's uncertain if this feature will be included. If it does, it could significantly enhance health tracking accuracy. Battery performance is another key consideration. The Pixel Watch 4 is expected to deliver up to 2 days of battery life, similar to its predecessor. However, improvements in Wear OS efficiency or a more advanced chipset, whether it's the Snapdragon W5 Gen 2 or a custom Tensor chip, could extend battery life. Reports suggest that the 41mm version may feature a 306 mAh battery, lasting around 24 hours, with the always-on display enabled, while the larger 45mm model could house a 420 mAh battery for extended endurance. Charging speeds are likely to remain the same, with the watch reaching 50% in roughly 30 minutes and 80% in about 50 minutes. So what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel Watch 4? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.